Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Continuing the news now, after months of planning, Dream Weekend kicked off in Montego Bay, offering the first real test of whether one of the biggest events on Jamaica's entertainment calendar could thrive outside its longtime home in Negril. Now, judging by the turnout on opening night, many believe the answer may already be taking shape.
We're starting Dream Weekend 2026.
For months, the relocation of Dream Weekend from its longtime home in Negril to Montego Bay dominated conversation among partygoers and tourism stakeholders. Questions swirled about whether the event could recreate the atmosphere it did in Westmoreland.
I'm very happy about tonight's turnout because a lot of people ridiculed us. Said we shouldn't join with the Kingstonians and the Dream Weekend. And we were idiots. And nobody was going to come. And a lot of them did not come because they thought that nobody else was going to come. And they turned up.
But if the opening night is anything to go by, organizers may have little reason to worry.
I've been to many Dream Weekends before. And the first night was always kind of, welcome vibe, but a few people. But tonight, ram. Dream Weekend, then flip the script upside down. So if the first night is like this, imagine the other nights to come. Normally it's like, but tonight, different vibes. And maybe we have to do things different.
Hundreds streamed into the venue Thursday night, creating the vibrant scenes many had hoped for, marking the official start of the festival. And the patrons were loving every bit of it.
I'm from the UK. Dream Weekend was a good start. I'm ready for the rest of the weekend. Yay!
Oh, it's a day first, right? I already had so much fun. And we have how many more days? Like 5 more days? Yes. We're gonna mash up the place.
It's going good so far. Because the king, when the king talk, everybody listening. I'm the king of Dream. You know what I say? Dream Weekend finest, because shopping a price like the Royal Highness.
While the music and festivities took center stage, another operation unfolded quietly in the background. The police maintained a high visibility presence throughout the venue and along key roadways. The development forms part of a broader security plan designed to ensure patrons can enjoy the weekend safely while deterring criminal activities. Anthony Lug, TVJ News.